how would you explain the discrepancy? So, para lang ma-air din namin yung inyong
I will
explanation.
not explain any discrepancy because there was none. There were some debates on the amount. There were questions in the TWD issue. There were questions in the SBAC. It was never a unanimous. There were some distinction between the positions of some members of the TWG and the SBAC. Ultimately, there was a decision by the TWG and there was a decision by the SBAC. It was given to the Commission and BAC. We approved it and that's it.
How do we
Hindi
explain
mo
it?
mapapaliwanag yun ng ganito lang na upuan.
Ah, talaga? Pero does it happen? Yung ganon?
Because bid documents yan, makapal yan.
Oo. So it can happen legally.
Kakamali, nagkakaroon ng adjustment, nag-aaway yung mga TWG namin, nagdidiskusyon yung SBAC until a final decision is arrived.
Ah, so it can be legal, that kind of process.
Of course, it should be. And I cannot understand the people who claim this. Because as far as I know, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin yung Mindanao area.
Yeah, yung
The
Mindanao.
fight was really between Air 21 and Arco and Tuco.
Yeah, oo.
These are big companies, which means kung merong anomaly na nangyari, hindi papayag yung malaking kumpanya like Tuco and Arco to just let it go.